Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Just reverse mathematically. Suppose we have y is equal to x cubed. Y is equal to x cubed. When we differentiate this, we represent it as dy by dx, which is also represented as y dash. We get 3x squared. This is differentiation. Integration is just the reverse process of this. That means if we do integration on this, we should get back y. If we do differentiation on y, we get something. If we do integration on that something, we should get back y. That is the idea. Now, as I gave you a direct formula of differentiation, I am giving you a direct formula of integration. First of all, the symbol integration is summation. That's what should be in our mind. Integration is simply summation. The symbol of summation, as you must know, is this. Now, the symbol of integration, if we stretch it a little bit and a bit more and a bit more, it becomes like this. The symbol of integration is this. So when we integrate a function, we represent them like this. Suppose the function is y and we are integrating in terms of t, then we write integration of y in terms of t. This means that we are integrating y. This is the symbol of integration. We are integrating y in terms of t. This is the symbol. Like the symbol of differentiation is dy by dx. That means we are differentiating y, because this is d, we are differentiating y in terms of x. This means we are integrating y in terms of t. Integral dy dot dx would mean we are integrating y in terms of x. Integral x dy would mean we are integrating x in terms of y. When we'll do some exercise, small problems, it will become more clear. First of all, the formula. The formula is like this. If we are integrating x to the power n in terms of x, we cannot, if we are having an independent variable x, then you have to integrate in terms of the same variable. We cannot write like this, x to the power n, and integrate it in terms of y. This is not the kind of integration we are studying now. We are integrating x in terms of x. If there would have been y to the power n, then we would integrate that in terms of y. Things, just bear for some time, things will become more clear eventually. Now, the formula is like this. X to the power n, the integration of x to the power n in terms of dx is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. For example, integration of x cubed in terms of x would be x to the power 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. That means x to the power 4 upon 4. Similarly, integration of x in terms of x would be x to the power 1 plus 1 upon x upon 1 plus 1. That would be x squared by 2. Can you guess what will be the integration of simply dx? There is no function. Actually, there is one function, which is 1. Integral dx meaning we are integrating 1 in terms of x. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. So you are integrating x to the power 0 in terms of x. So that would be x to the power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, which is simply x. So integration of dx, we don't say integration of 1 in terms of x, we just say integration of dx is x. Integration of x cubed would be x to the power 4 by 4. You just have increased 1 at the head of x and the same number in the denominator. Now this should be really quick for you now. Integration of x is x squared by 2. Integration of x squared, come on, say integration of x squared. Yes, x cubed by 3. Integration of x to the power 4, x to the power 5 by 5. Integration of x to the power 6, x to the power 7 by 7. So you already have mastered it, don't you? So I told you integration is a reverse process of differentiation. Let's see how. Now we started with this function y is equal to x cubed. Differentiation of y in terms of x is 3x squared. Now let's integrate it. Integration of 3x squared in terms of x. Now 3, as in case of differentiation, we can take this out of integration. The constants will remain as it is. We are differentiating the variables x squared. Now integration of x squared would be, tell me, x to the power 3 by 3. 3 with 3. So this is x cubed. Now you differentiated x cubed, you got 3x squared. Now when you integrate 3x squared, you get x cubed. That's why we say integration is the reverse process of differentiation. This will be of some use. We'll see now. But for now, let's practice a little more.